Hi, welcome to another 20-second tip, the show where we like to examine super seriously smart study tips through a not very serious lens. Because I'm not a teacher, I'm just one of you. So let's explore today's theme, how to make school less boring. Besides, of course, watching these super fun videos.
20-second tips for home learning.
Have you ever noticed how boring school is sometimes? Have you ever sat there wondering when things will just end because it's just information after information after information and it's just... you're just trying so hard to care. It's true. Sometimes a course is designed to be as efficient as possible, which makes it a little boring sometimes. When this is your situation, it's up to you to make things more exciting. Then you get to pick the most exciting part to you. When things get super boring, go rogue. If you think your course is boring, it might actually just be that the way the course is presented isn't right for you. So do yourself a favor and go on your own learning spiral. Check out YouTube videos and documentaries. Find books and articles about the topic. You might just be able to find an interesting spark that turns the whole course around. Even if your learning spiral doesn't follow your course exactly, as long as you learn something, that inspiration is going to help you learn the rest of your course. Things are so much easier to learn if they're about a topic that's at least slightly interesting to you. And sometimes the best way to find that spark is to do a little bit of research on your own. Oh, and while you're here, you should totally stick around till the end of this video because it's the random fun fact of the week. For more study tips and inspiration, check out my blog and Insta below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video. And if you'd like to pump me up with even more caffeine, check out my Ko-fi page link below. Cheers!
And now for the random fact of the week.
The average person produces enough saliva to fill more than 50 bathtubs in a lifetime. Granted, most of this is recycled instead of created from scratch, but still, it's pretty gross to think about. I don't know if that's gross or impressive.